welcome back. Quick and fast because I need these molds. I got a phone stand, business card holder, tarot card stand, whatever you want to use it for. A multi-purpose stand. Okay, doesn't look as bad as I thought it might have came out, because this wouldn't stay down. A little flower I put in there for my mama. But yeah, not a tree bad. I had to use something to hold it down. That's why the back looks like this, but it sits flat and that's all that matters. Then this, I think I like the back better. I thought it would have moved a bit. Oh, this just ended up being straight through, which is okay. It doesn't need to be it's too thick. There it is. You need to be perfect. But yeah, just this and this for now. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.